On this episode of Failure Bros, a person named Oscar volunteered to wear one of my dresses. I will never wear it again. Unless I thoroughly wash it.
I'm going to be pogo sticking down and across the street and back.
In a dress.
Yes.
He's a boy.
Yes, I am. Hopefully.
Max and Dylan are not here today, but anyway.
Neither's Liam.
Well, Liam's usually not here. That is my pogo stick.
I went too fast.
Yeah.
I'm going to try that again. Let's start from here.
It echoes, if you can hear it.
Too far again.
I'm bad. I don't know. Come now. Come now.
What?
Come.
The end.
Thank you. I don't know.